We have drafted it in quarters, and the first quarter will be between now, November and January, then February to April, then May to July, then the final quarter will be between August and September. When you leave this place, as we said, we have a challenge of our repository. We are going to restore it back. Then we migrate the repository to the new server that was acquired through ADHL. Then we will also create a community, the ADHL community within our university repository. Then we also have a data backup plan. Then we shall enable Google Analytics for statistics. This is part of an upgrade and customization that we are going to do. Then we shall also have marketing and advocacy. So that is what we shall engage ourselves between now and January 2019. Then from February to April, we shall do population of the repository with VCs. And then we'll also need to do a lot of advocacy and marketing so that we can buy in support from the lecturers, and so that they can be able and willing to give their articles for the repository. Then we shall also do user trainings. Then capacity building for technical and library staff, which is key, some of the areas that we need training on. Then we shall have monitoring and evaluation to see how far our repository is, how important it is becoming. Then third quarter, we shall do capacity building for technical and library staff, marketing and promotion. Then we shall also do a conference presentation. Conference and presentation was part of the last plan, but we didn't accomplish it. So we are intending to do a presentation, a conference presentation. Then we shall also be engaging in report writing. Then the fourth quarter, we shall do documentation of operations and procedures. This is because you realize that we have high staff turnover, but when we have proper documentation, even those people who take after us, they can still continue with the work. Then we shall also do the documentation for technical procedures, marketing and promotion. This is through workshops. Then we shall do content scanning and upload, which is a continuous activity in all the quarters. Finally, we will do a report.